Look at this, is like an immediate shine just using butter and shea butter on a portion of my hair. Can you see how soft shea butter leave-in conditioner has actually made my hair to be? But can you see the colors? Oof. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this time around I would be working with shea butter on my natural hair. Well, let me try and see if the lights will help us with it. Okay, so yeah, I think this is better so you guys can see my hair. So this is what we're working with. My hair is still soft from the last moisturization I did and everything, and I think it will be easier to detangle this time around. Let me turn to the back so you can see what we are working with. So now that we know what we're working with, we will need spray bottle with water as per usual, and we would also need our leave-in conditioner, and the star of the show, shea butter. So I have like shea butter in a bigger container, but I decided to just scoop a bit in this container. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Can you see this? Yummy, yummy, yummy. So this is like the star of today's show. I'll be telling you different benefits of shea butter while we work on my hair together. So first off, shea butter would actually help you to have stronger, beautiful looking hair. As you can see, look at this, is like an immediate shine just using butter and shea butter on a portion of my hair. Another thing about shea butter is that it improves your hair elasticity. It would, help your hair to be more elastic in nature, and it will actually nourish your hair in and out. So shea butter is known to have different vitamins alongside fatty acid that is suitable to help you have like a stronger looking hair. So if you can, incorporate shea butter in your routine as a sealant. It is not a moisturizing product. It is mostly used as a sealant, meaning after you moisturize your hair, you will use shea butter to seal in that moisture, because you don't want to lose moisture from your hair. If your hair is well moisturized often, you are less prone to having hair breakage. You get, and try to coat your hair with a lot of shea butter, like shea butter that is actually going to be enough. Don't try to manage it. Don't try to manage it. Coat your hair from the roots, which is here, to the tip of your hair. Can you see how nourished it is? And if you notice, it easily blends into the hair. It easily absorbs into the hair. So shea butter is one hair butter that you can invest in and see like good results. You can actually use shea butter on the days that you just want to prep your hair to go out, you just want to prep your hair for the salon. You can use shea butter on your hair. Before now, I actually got to know that you can use shea butter to soften your hair. So most people have fussy hair that is really, really strong to detangle. So what people advise them to do is to spray water and apply shea butter to your hair. This would actually help to soften your hair strands. As you can see in this portion that I actually separated, when I was detangling it, you can see how soft it was. But let's do it like the conventional way, where you spray water and you apply leave-in conditioner, then you apply shea butter to seal in the moisture, then we detangle it together, right? So hold on, let's start from the top. Spray water. I have low porosity, so it takes a lot of time for water to absorb into my hair strand. So you spray water like this. Don't forget, coat every part of your hair with it. Then you go in with your leave-in conditioner. After your leave-in conditioner, you go in with your shea butter to seal in that moisture. Don't forget the root of your hair down to the tip of your hair. Now, like I said in one of my videos, this is the oldest part of your hair, so it is prone to more breakage, so you need to be very gentle around the side more. You get a wide tooth comb, not a rat tail comb, wide tooth comb. From the tip of your hair, you try to detangle. Then you work your way up. Get rid of any form of knot, any form of tangle. Another thing you need to know about shea butter is that it will help you to tame freezing. So we know that sometimes our hair tends to freeze out, right? And this will actually help you to keep your hair in place. You know, it has this smoothing effect that would actually help you in the long run, so your hair does not look too rough immediately after you install a protective style, or when you pack your hair you're going to start seeing your hair flying out. No, it will help you to tame the frizz. As you can see, my hair is not really flying out as you would expect. So yeah, so can you see how soft shea butter leave-in conditioner has actually made my hair to be? Anytime you detangle like this, try to twist it up immediately, like this. Can you see the shine? Like, I cannot even get over the shine that shea butter gives my hair. Like, there's this instant shine, this instant glow that it gives to my hair. So yeah, this is it. Healthy looking hair. Up close to the camera, see it? Yeah, so we have to repeat the same process for the rest of my head. So this is what I do, you know, sometimes to revive that moisture, to seal in that moisture that is in my hair strands. Because if you don't take care of your hair, I don't know what you want your hair to give you in return. If you're not treating your hair right, don't expect to have like a very good hair growth journey. You need to feed your hair with a lot to see the results. You need to feed your hair. Repeating the same process, water. Massage it in. Thereafter, go in with your leave-in conditioner. Then you seal it, the moisture up with shea butter. Oh, can you see the colors? Oof. Oof, oof, oof. Detangle. This one is actually very soft. Twist it up just like the other one. You go, you go, you go. So shea butter is very, very awesome. It also has a bit of SPF, which will actually prevent your hair from getting damaged from the UV ray. So you can, because of that alone, incorporate it into your routine. So yeah, I mean, my hair is so long. What is this? Whoosh. Long and healthy. If you want this, click the link in the description box to get your ebook. If you want healthy, long, bouncy hair like this, click the link in the description box to get your ebook. Yeah. Last but definitely not the least, shea butter has the property of deep conditioning your hair. So you could give it a try. It could help you to deep condition your hair a whole lot more. I just like this trend of spraying water on my hair before moisturizing it with leave-in conditioner and before sealing the moisture with shea butter. So with all these points, I feel shea butter should be a staple in your routine. especially as a natural hair girl. You cannot go wrong with shea butter, not on my watch. So let me know if you've been trying shea butter, and if you have been using shea butter for a while, share your experience with us in the comment section so that all of us can still learn from your experience, and just let all the girlies know what shea butter has really done for you, and most especially for your hair. We are more than willing to learn from you. So sealing that moisture, that juicy moisture, seal it in. I like how moisturized my hair feels. This is beautiful. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next. Bye guys.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him.